Yo, what up? Today, bros. I don't know why I said it like that. Probably shouldn't have said it like that, but I did. So, like I say, every single time I, do this, I never upload anymore at all. I was thinking, you know what? Why don't I upload just for fun? That'll be fun. As I think to myself, it's probably not fun. But hey, we're gonna see. We're gonna play some ranked today. I'm on a better computer. If you can't tell, it's not as laggy as last time. It won't be as laggy as last time because I'm on a better computer. Wahoo! I don't know. Okay, so let's just go over here. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna go grab this. I don't need that. Let's go, fam. I'm gonna try block-hitting you, but it's not gonna... Welp. First death. We're not gonna play ranked because everybody's too good. We're gonna play some... normal. Insane is too hard for me. I don't like it. I mean, it's not too hard. It's just everybody's, got too good armor. It's like, how? I'm usually the one with only iron armor in this, so... Oh, you burn use big armor. Nah. Well, I didn't have time to type it. I don't really care. I'm gonna show you guys my jitter bridging skills. Because I have some, at least, I think. I hope. I want. I think. Oh, why did I throw that away? Okay. Go away. I'm the hero. I'm not seeing doing this. Ready, guys? There you go. Jitter bridge. I don't know if you guys could hear my mouse, but it was clicking pretty fast, so yeah. Oh, hello. Why? Oh, I know why. Because he had, amazing things and I didn't. He had actual armor. That's something that I didn't have. So, there's that. But, I'm gonna do what, Technoblade does sometimes, except I don't want to copy him, so I'm just gonna be like, welcome, dudes, to another episode of Nolo. I'm so bad. Of Solo Skywars. Yeah. Just here today, did this guy not have anything to offer? Let's check. I doubt it. Wait. These are better than what I had. Sir. Stop. Thank you. Are you kidding me? Why? Why is this a thing? Why? You can't just go away, right? Why is this a thing? Alright, let's go. Boom. Bippity bop, boom, bop, beep. So, Minecraft has gotten a lot popular lately, or a lot more popular than it was, and I mean, it makes me happy because I don't know about you guys, but I like this game. It makes me feel good. It also makes me feel that other people like it too, because now the game has become more popular, and I like the fact that it's become more popular. There's a lot of fighting happening over there, so I'm just gonna not. At least I'm gonna try to not, switch this. Thank you. No one? Okay, great. Just what I came here for. A diamond pickaxe and a lava bucket. Great, sir. Okay, let's go. Hello? I thought that... I'm so mad. I wasted my blocks for absolutely nothing. Hello? I mean, give me this TNT. I don't mind it. I like it. It makes me feel good. You didn't open this chest. It had boots in it. I need that. Also, I kind of need a different chest because I need a chest plate, please? Hello? May I please have a chest plate? Thank you. Alright, sir, where are you? Or both of you. Okay. Where are you people? Die, chicken. You must. It's like kind of a shorter sword. Oh, they're all over here. Both of them, I should say. I'm probably gonna die here, but that's fine. Yep, dead. Well, GG. GG. That's kind of an OG name, so God Crush. Well, not OG, but it works. It's kind of a weird name. It's Scar. Oh, wait. Oh. Well, I hope Scar isn't good at PvP, but I've heard of him. I believe. Let's just not gonna take that. Yeah, this works. It's not really that good of a setup, but I mean it works. So we're just gonna go here. It is a little bit more laggy than usual, though. This computer is not usually as laggy as it is, but it is. So, what can you do? We're just gonna kill this man. Let's try. No, no, no. That's not. Where did my sword go? What? Huh? Huh? Where did my sword go? It was like. By the way, if you guys haven't seen, you know what? I'm not even gonna show. Actually, I'll show you guys, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is for reasons that I know. So this is my skin. I like it a lot. Some people know what it is. Some people know who it is. If you don't, I'm not telling you because you'll think I'm dumb. Well, you won't think I'm dumb. You'll just like think like that guy looks really like. If I tell you who it is, you'll think it's dumb. It's just like some sort of no. What? How did? Huh? Huh? What is this? I'm sorry, I'm so bad. Yes. I'm sorry, I'm so bad that, like, I don't know how... Wait, what am I saying? I'm just so bad, like, okay, first of all, I haven't been playing in a while, that's my excuse, but it works, okay? My excuse works. It's not just an excuse that you do, and we don't talk about this. This is not something we talk about. Like, this is not something, thank you. This is not something we talk about. We're not here to talk about this at all. We are not here to discuss what has just happened. We are not here... Like I said, y'all, we're not here to talk about any of that. Let's go. Let's actually go, though. Wait, I don't need this bow. Yeah, yeet. Okay. Get. There you go. Yeah, yeet. That's a thing. Okay, we're just gonna get this chest over here. Okay. Why? I'm gonna see if I can get one of my friends in because I want to talk to them and I don't want to be here alone. None of them are online. That's just fun. Yep. That's just awesome. That is just awesome. That is a bad word. Don't use that language. Anyways, I was trying to get people like on the game, but nope. That is their answer is no. Thank you for starting the sword. I really appreciate it. That's greatly appreciated. Oh, wait, I do have a chest plate. I didn't. No. You don't get to live. Sorry. Goodbye. Okay, let's. No, I don't have any. I don't have any freaking gapples. That's annoying. Okay, this man, he decided he wanted to just break over to me, so I'm gonna see if he has any gapples for free. That's no gapples. For free. None. Except, do I have a cat? Yeah, I do. He had nothing to offer. He's useless to me. He should be useless to everyone. Just kidding. I'm not toxic. I'm not toxic. We're gonna see if we can do a bridge. Yep, we can. Let's go. I like doing that. It helps. It boosts my self-esteem. It looked like cactus in this. 6.25. That's 6. It's not as better. A. That was the same skin. Okay, I thought they had the same skin for a second. They had good stuff, and I really didn't. So I wasn't expecting to win that fight, and I probably shouldn't have like gone in like that. But like I lagged back, and I was trying to run away, but then I lagged back. You know, I'm not gonna make excuses. Hey, Scar, he avoided me. Sorry about that. I am very terribly sorry. I didn't know about that. That's not something I know. Although, and I also didn't really need to know. Why do you have? No, that's just no. Why? I don't want to be on fire. What is this? Thank you. Okay, no, don't. Okay, thank you, fire. Don't kill me. I was about to say, don't kill me, man. I didn't want to die, fire. Not today, bro. Wait, I just realized. I could have jumped in this water right here the whole time, and somebody's about to get me. I have no health. Stop. I have no health. Leave me alone. I have no health. I have no health. I can't really do anything about that. Alright, there's a creeper. Yeah, you two fight. I'll take it. Why? Oh gosh, Warren, that's like a... okay. We're gonna see... There's nobody here to record with me. What? Maybe Karma will. I don't know. She might? Maybe? Hold on. I gotta do something real quick. If I tell you all who Karma is, I want to die. Because then you guys will be like, ooh. I mean, you guys won't know who it is. Like, definitely won't know who Karma is. For a fact, you guys won't know who Karma is at all, actually. Like, none of you. You're bad. Die. I'm not toxic, though. I'm not toxic. You're bad. I'm bad. I'm admitting. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna actually message Karma. And she's on, so there's that. Is that a... Yep. Okay, I usually am good on this map. Usually. Nope! That is... I need to warm up. Okay, I need to warm up. Just give me time to warm up, and I'll be back. It doesn't look like Karma's gonna get on, and, yeah. So, next episode, I will show you how good I have gotten. So, yeah, there's that. So, bye!